Hi there, hope you're all doing okay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Claire and I've got another unboxing and it is March Glossybox. This is what it looks like. This box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All details related to this box and any other offers Glossybox currently have running. Plus, they've got a few limited editions at the moment and I believe there's some discounts or freebies if you purchase one. I'll list all of them down below in my description, and also you'll find all my other discount codes and offers from different websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look down there. If you're new to Glossybox, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their March box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to click forward. There are many Glossyboxes around the world, but this is Glossybox UK. The cost of a rolling monthly box is £14.75 and you can cancel any month. But if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, it brings the cost down. Inside you find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related, skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty tools, nail polishes, sometimes a freebie as well, and there's always a theme. I did have a code which will entitle you to money off. I'll pop it down below, but talking to a few of my followers last month, apparently the code is not working anymore. I have got in touch with Glossybox, so I'm waiting their reply, but I will try and seek out any other discount codes just in case that doesn't work. So if you are a new subscriber, then you might be able to get something off or an added freebie. As with all boxes, some boxes are better than others. It's a mystery box, so there's that to bear in mind. Inside the box there will be a little QR code, so I'm able to scan, so we might be able to see what a sneak peek is for the following month or any new limited edition boxes. But they say the minimum value of every box is £50, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. So yeah, so let's get on to there, showing you what's inside. In this month's March Dreamy Days box, we've teamed up with Disney to give away 25 exclusive tickets to see Disney's Frozen the musical in theatre for you and one friend to the West End, and it just says see if you are one of the lucky winners. So that's what it looks like. I'll scan that in a little while. I thought I'd won then. No. What's it say about it? The awe-inspiring smash hit musical for everyone. There's a QR code for 4 tickets for £1.99 and just gives you lots of information about it. So I haven't won, but we'll receive that. Right, you can't really see much in there because it's all squished around, but yeah, we'll go through it anyway, one by one. Scan the QR code. We'll all receive 4 of the same products, and then the 5th product will be one of 3. So I'll do the 4 first and I'll leave the last one to last. Glossybox are bringing out an Easter egg. Enjoy a bright start to the spring and crack open an extra special Easter limited edition egg. From makeup palettes to fragrance and more, this limited edition will ensure we have a very glossy Easter filled with love and happiness, but no date and no sneak peeks. Can you see? Just tells you about it there. Then we've got sneak peek, bloom and grow. That's for April's box. We haven't got the product, but it says allow yourself the time to get back to your beauty roots and let nature inspire you with the products inside our April box. And that's it. Starting off with the products that we'll all receive, by the looks of it anyway, is a Jojoba. This is a niacinamide serum. The evidence-based concentration of 5% niacinamide recreates the natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities, and contributes to a fresher and more even skin tone. And there's 15 mils there. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £10. The skin loving ingredients of argyricum mushroom, hyaluronic acid and alanolin will protect, tighten and smooth your skin whilst balancing your natural hydration. It's got hyaluronic acid. Next we've got something for your hair. This is by Colour Wow. This is a 1-minute transformation styling cream. Instantly remoisturizes and eliminates frizz. 30 mils there. Styling cream. I don't think I've ever tried that. I tried a few products from Colour Wow. I don't think that one. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £9. This quick frizz fix will recondition dehydrated hair, banish bedhead and give a glossy fake blow dry in minutes. So there's that. Next we have got, oh my gosh, how do you say that? Tint. Tint. Oh, I don't know how to say it. T-Y-N-T. Tint. I don't know how to do it. Phantom liner, liquid dip liner with precision tip in espresso. Ooh. So new brand, and it's not black. I love black. I'm wearing black eyeliner today, but it is nice to have a different shade. Look, how gorgeous is that? That is so lovely. You'll get to see this before I do. Ooh, there. Causing a mess. Yeah. Oh, I like that. I really like that. This is full size and it retails for £15. Get the perfect wing with this tights liquid eyeliner with a colour-rich formula. This product will glide onto your skin seamlessly and will give you a strong colour payoff to create your unique eye look. There, we got a perfume. It's a solid fragrance stick by Diaryofabeautygeek. All these different words. I love the packaging. That is really beautiful. So this is a orgasmic perfume stick. Look at that. That is so lovely. It just looks like a lipstick. Oh, that is nice. I'm assuming you put it to your, like, your wrists or anywhere really. Oh, I do really like that. It reminds me of something. That is really nice. And I'm quite fussy with perfumes. My go-to scents are usually fruity and floral. Don't like rose. This is full size and it retails for £17. Add a wave of freshness with this solid fragrance stick from Diaryofabeautygeek. Iconic, buildable and personalised. Apply this perfume to your wrists and neck for a feminine touch to your aura. I really, really like that. It's not that strong, so it's not like a perfume spray where, you know, like say if I walk past someone and they go, whew, smell it, you know? It is a gorgeous, gorgeous smell. But yeah, very subtle. So with those four, it looks like we'll all receive those. And then the last item, the fifth item in the box, you will receive one of 3 products. Now, I was sent a hand cream by L'Occitane. I love this brand. Haven't tried many of their products before. I've tried lots of their hand creams, including this one, and it's really, really nice. This is a dry skin hand cream, 20% shea butter, and there's 30 mils. So one to pop in my handbag. It is really, really nice. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £9. It contains shea butter, argan, coconut oils. It delicately moisturises and nourishes your hands to help overcome dry and dehydrated skin. So you'll either receive that or a Skin & Co. Roma. It's a citrus aroma hand cream. That's deluxe size and it is worth £8. See at the top there? Sorry for the flashing. It's my phone on my camera. But yeah, so Skin & Co. Roma, so a citrus hand cream, or a Pry deluxe size with £5, an ageless throat and a décolletage cream. As you can see down the bottom there. So you'll receive one of those 3. So yeah, so there you go. Those are all the products inside this month's Glossy box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. Ugobi Niacinamide Serum. Got a Colour Wow styling cream. We've got a tint, liquid liner in espresso. We've got a gorgeous Diaryofabeautygeek, if I'm saying that right. It's a perfume stick. And lastly, I've got the L'Occitane hand cream. Really excited about the eyeliner. I love the fact that it's brown. I really like the colour. Budge proof, which is good. Which is good. I love the perfume stick. I can still smell it, but it's not as strong as a perfume spray then, you know? Generally, if I was to use a styling cream, it would be a Percy & Reed one. I've tried many others. None of them really match up to the Wonder Bomb, but you never know. You never know. Then the niacinamide serum. I've got a few on the go at the moment, so I won't be trying that anytime soon. But the hand cream, I have got loads of hand creams. They're dotted all around the house. Everyone uses them. So I'll be putting that in my bag because I do really like it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? All your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.